Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed vegetable curry. First, gather all your fresh vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and peas. Make sure to chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Don't forget to prepare your aromatic base with finely chopped onions, fresh ginger, and garlic. This initial preparation is absolutely key for a smooth cooking process and truly delicious results, setting the stage for a wonderful meal. Now, let's build those amazing flavor layers. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a large pot or pan over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully translucent and soft. Then, introduce your fresh ginger, garlic, and your chosen curry spices. Cook this aromatic mixture for just about 1 minute, stirring constantly to release their wonderful fragrances. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of making life easier, cooking can be messy, right? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, it's time to add the star ingredients. Introduce all your chopped vegetables into the pot and stir them well, ensuring they are nicely coated with the aromatic spice mixture. Now, pour in enough vegetable broth or water, making sure the vegetables are mostly submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat immediately and let it simmer softly. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your delicious curry, continue simmering until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your vegetable choices. For a rich and creamy texture, stir in some coconut milk or cream during the last few minutes. Finally, garnish your vibrant curry with fresh cilantro just before serving. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful mixed vegetable curry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.